Menta Kasngi Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Jaintia Hills District Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS ula pelat Paidbah ika benta ka baa jongka district level Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyaan Committee hapok ka National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction NAPDDR. Ya kani kasngi bala penlong da ka office jong Deputy Commissioner bat District Social Welfare Officer da ka bay trailang bat kiseng balang bat kidkhot bala syajit kerpang labay tingka da katanat social justice bat empowerment jongka Sarkar India. Ka District Social Welfare Officer kong Wai Najar kala penya jika ni kasngi bat kala ai ru ikikitien ai kublei ya kikentien ai kublei
West Hills and
Department. There will be a street play coordinated by Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment. There will be yoga and meditation for the patient of breakthrough. There will be short film and documentation which will be done by the DMHO, DLSA, Principal Government Boys School. There will be awareness programs which are definitely ongoing in the forms of multiple programs or initiatives that are undertaken by the district administration at Abhiyaan Government College. And also there will be awareness programs in the rural areas, because that is also one of the key areas where there will be different resource persons with regard to, we have got identified 7 particular associations or the departments. First would be Meem Community Social Welfare Association. Second would be at Tauki, where Society for Rural and Urban Area, that is SHORE, Jowai. Then at Mukt, Breakthrough De-Addiction Rehabilitation Center. Then at Minso, Fernando Home Care and Support Center, Yalong. And Pitrishi, Breakthrough De-Addiction Rehabilitation Center. And Shashniyang by the Office of the DSWO. Then Mokaya by Meem Community Social Welfare Association, Jowai. We really look forward in order to ensure that our district becomes a full Nasha Mukt Bharat. I mean, a part of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyaan, and is one of the leading beacons in our state. I would also like to share that last year, the previous district where I was, it was awarded by Ministry with regard to North Garo Hills, wherein it was given the award. I am looking forward that this year, with your all support and intervention, the same could be replicated in this district.